Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia here with another sponsored video by a company called Lush Wig. So if you want to see how I installed this wig completely glueless, then continue watching. As you guys know, I'm super lazy when it comes to gluing wigs down, so I try not to, just because I'm into hair care first and I don't prefer to put a lot of glue in my hair or my hairline, but that's neither here nor there. So this is the packaging. Came with a cute box, and it actually came with this cute little headband. And I thought this was super cute because I love cheetah print, and I actually put my cheetah print shirt on before I even opened this box, and it just so happened that they sent me a cheetah print headband, which was super dope. So then you have a comb and then the wig. Now this is a orange copper wig. This is a frontal wig. It's a 13x4. This is a 22-inch 150 density, and it's made for cap size 22 inches. So I'm just going to show you guys what the inside looks like. And then it has your 3 standard combs, of course your lace in the front, and it's already good to go. You can see my fingers through, completely good to go. All I would have to do is just put some foundation on to blend it, and then you have your combs on the back, and then your 3 combs in the top, and then an adjustable strap right here. And I'm going to use this to secure the unit. So I love this strap because this allows you to completely wear glueless without it coming up. The only thing is, if you want to pull your hairline back, you just have to make sure you use like a freeze spray or got-to-be spray, or like a got-to-be glue gel. But I honestly didn't want to do any of that because I just knew that I was going to be popping this on and popping it right off. So I literally just used the band to keep this unit secure. And I have my wig cap on, and I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to install it. So first things first, I'm like, okay, I wasn't too confident with the color just because I typically don't wear super like bright orange just for my complexion. But I got so many compliments on this on my friends' stories on Instagram, so I decided like, hey, I'm gonna post a selfie with it. So I'm just adjusting the strap, making sure everything fits, making sure that it's sitting where I want it to. I'm looking at the lace. Everything is looking pretty good. I did not have to put any concealer or makeup on the lace, which was a super plus, and it's super soft, which means that if you do want to glue this down, it's going to melt right into the skin. So now I'm just going to go in and cut this lace off the front, and then I'm going to start to make her look super pretty. Okay, so now that that's all done and adjusted to my liking, I'm looking at the color like, okay, this is super bold. I'm really glad that I had my makeup done because I feel like you definitely need like some type of a cute face on to pull this off. Just putting this on without makeup probably would make me look super washed out. So now I'm just going in with my Framer mister, and I'm just going ahead and just saturating this hair because I do want to see how the natural curls come through once it's wet. And typically I will wear hair like this kind of like wet and wavy anyway, so I'm just putting just water in this, no product, because I want to see what the hair does on its own. Side note, I did notice that in the front they added like these lighter copper highlights that I'm feeling, and then towards the back it gets darker, which like really accents and frames the face. So I was really feeling this color, and I actually liked it a lot more than I thought. Initially when I got this, I was kind of scared, to be honest with you guys, but it came out right. So I'm just going to saturate this, readjust it, and then I'm going to just blend the part just a tiny bit more. You can wear it as is, but I just like it to look a little bit more realistic. And this is typically how I'm going to wear this unit. I'm not going to pull this up or wear it back, so I'm just keeping it a beam with you guys. If you want to see me do that, I can add that in like a different video or take pictures with it. But you guys know, like, I like glueless wigs. I like wigs you can pop off as soon as you get in the house. I don't like anything that's stuck on my head. So she's saturated, and I'm just going in and cutting the additional lace on the sides and making sure that everything is fitting right. And then you already see how this is laying. The only thing you can really see are my ear tabs. So if I did want to put this up at the top, I definitely could have, but I was really feeling how this looked down. So now I'm just readjusting, and I'm just going to go in now with the same exact shade of foundation that I have on my skin, which is Fenty 390. And I'm going to apply just a tiny bit of that foundation just to the part, just to make it look a little bit more open and a little bit more realistic. Also, before I forget to mention, I'm going to add all of the information down in the description box below for Lush Wigs Company, as well as a discount code that they did send me for 10% off, which is Lush Wig 10, and you will receive 10% off of your order. So Ava just came down and wanted to add her little 2 cents. So if you hear that, I do apologize. So right here, I'm just showing you guys the length and how long this is on me. I am 5'2", and I do have an average cap size head, about 21 inches. So this is super perfect for me. And this is how I would just rock this. And I'm showing you guys how secure this is without any glue, with just the elastic band in the back. And it's not even super tight. It's literally just comfortable. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out Lush Wig down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Please let me know down below if you're feeling this color on me and if you want to see me fleek this a couple of different ways. Thank you guys so much for watching, and everyone have a great evening. Bye.